Hi, I'm Amy with WTI. Having happy, healthy plants does not happen by accident. This is my secret. Mycorrhizae root grow. This powerful root stimulator not only helps underneath the soil, but you can see the difference above in the more vibrant color and healthier plants all around. How can this little bag do so much? It's because of the key ingredient, mycorrhizal fungi. When that is in the soil, it's forming a symbiotic relationship with the plant's roots. This interaction causes a mutually beneficial environment, which results in a more robust root system, which allows for greater nutrient uptake and water absorption. This is essential for plant success. I'm using it to repot my plants. You just need 1 teaspoon for smaller plants. If you have a larger plant or small tree, it's recommended to use 2 tablespoons. This product is made in the States and has been tweaked and perfected for some 20 years. It's scientifically proven to work, so you can be confident you will see results. I love that it's safe, there's no junk fillers or pesticides, and it's super easy to apply. Then you can just reap the benefits. So make sure and add this. You will be so glad that you did, and that's my point of view.